Hey, what's going on? Thanks so much for taking a second to stop by and see what this channel is about. My name's Conrad. I've been doing marketing for over 3 years. I've spent over $30,000 of my own personal money figuring out what works and what doesn't work, so you don't have to waste time trying to figure out what does work, okay? I work with a lot of roofing and contracting clients, so if you are a roofer or a contractor, this is the right spot to be. You're going to learn the fast, easy tips to get you the results that you want without wasting your time. For instance, a lot of lead marketers out there, they'll say, hey, we can make all these leads, but they end up calling these leads. They don't pick up the phone or they're not the right person. I skimp all that and I show you how to get the high quality client you want right away without having the headache of the person saying, hey, this isn't my phone number, or for some reason that they say they didn't fill out the information. I know you've all felt that and gotten that. Listen, if you're a roofing company owner or a contractor and you own the actual company, you do not have time to mess around to figure out what works and what doesn't work. You need a clear-cut plan of action of how to make things go, right? So anyways, my channel, Monday and Thursdays, I'll always be doing new videos for you. I'm just going to teach and give away every single piece of content, and let's just call it even secrets that I know about marketing that can get you the best results possible. From the best keywords, from the best targeting options, you name it, it will be there. So Mondays and Thursdays. And I would love to help anybody that I can, I guess you could say, increase their return on investment with their current ad spend or marketing that they're doing. Maybe they hired somebody, or maybe they have, they're trying to do it themselves. My goal is to try to help you increase your return on your time, ROT, right? Return on the time. So the time that you're putting into the marketing, the time you're putting into these videos, my goal is one goal only, to help you make more money. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Just the little button below, just click the subscribe button, and we'll have new stuff up every Monday and Thursday. If you want to find me on Facebook, you can look me up, Conrad Quinter. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.